Deep in a haunted jungle, an ancient tomb lay hidden. The resting place of Shah-e-Zulmat, a king who grew powerful by burning human souls. Legends say his death was only sleep, not the end. 3 hunters, Farouk, Danish, and Ali, lost their way and found a broken stone gate. Faded blood-red letters warned, "Do not open." This is not A-T-O-M-B. IT is a prison. Ignoring it, they entered. Inside, torchlight revealed carvings of a king consuming souls. Suddenly, chains dragged across the floor, and shadows moved on their own. In the center, a massive stone coffin slid open. Inside, no body, only a silver mask and giant golden chains. Darkness fell. 2 blazing red eyes appeared. A half-burnt figure, Shah-e-Zulmat, his voice echoing, "Who woke me?" The hunters tried to escape, but the tomb shifted into a living maze. Red words appeared on the walls. Give soul or give life. Shah-e-Zulmat lifted Danish, burning his soul, leaving a lifeless shell. Farouk and Ali ran, chased by the glowing, masked king. At dawn, the faint call to prayer weakened him, but not for long. The tomb collapsed, and the hunters escaped. Outside their home, the silver mask lay glowing faint red dots. Suddenly, the faint sound of chains dragging echoed through the street. A cold wind swept past, and the shadow of a towering figure flickered against the walls. Farouk and Ali froze, realizing the mask wasn't just a relic, it was a beacon. From the darkness, a low, guttural voice whispered, "I've found you, and soon I will have what I came for." The mask trembled, its red glow pulsing like a heartbeat. Even behind locked doors and shuttered windows, the hunters could feel it. Shah-e-Zulmat was no longer bound to the tomb. He had returned, and he was coming for them, step by step. His chains scraping the ground, eyes burning like molten fire, whispering their names one by one, promising that no door, no wall, and no shadow could hide them from his curse. Suddenly, the wind howled, and the mask's red glow grew brighter. From the darkness, a faint laughter echoed, cold and hollow, as if it came from beneath the earth itself. Farouk and Ali's hearts pounded, every instinct screamed to run, but their feet felt glued to the ground. Then, in the silence, a single word cut through the night. Shah-e-Zulmat. Shah-e-Zulmat is free, coming soon.